A refreshing start to your day, a blend of pear, parsley and celery. This is not just a juice, it's a health tonic. Packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, this concoction is a powerhouse of nutrition. Imagine biting into a juicy pear, its sweet, subtle flavor. Now add the crisp, clean taste of celery and the vibrant kick of parsley. A sip of this juice is like a wake-up call for your taste buds and a lifeline for your body. The pear provides essential vitamins and fiber. Celery, a natural diuretic, flushes out toxins, while parsley, high in vitamin K, supports bone health. Together, they form a perfect health elixir. So next time you're looking for a healthy kickstart, remember this golden trio: pear, parsley and celery. Thank you for joining us in this journey of health and wellness. If you found value in this video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more healthful insights.